Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JJ. We're riding with the Rutledges, man. I know it's been a minute, man, but hey, look, it started off as unintentional, but then it became intentional. Okay, so if you go back to my last video, you'll see that I actually make a small gripe about a wire popping on the back of my truck, right? And I said it was going to be a simple $25 fix. Well, the truth is, it was a $25 fix, but there was nothing simple about it, man. I actually checked with the dealership first. The dealership said they could fix it. However, it took them forever to get the actual part to come in. I said it's ironic how we're in the shipping industry, we're in the trucking industry, and we're all about getting stuff there on time. But the one thing that could hold you up is something getting there on time. Yeah, man, it took too long for the dealership to end up trying to figure something out. So, you know, I ended up saying, hey, forget it, it's all good. Went and got the truck. And shout out to my dad. Huge shout out to my dad, man. My dad ended up finding one of the replacement cords online. There were a variety of websites that we had checked, but they were all on back order. So he ended up finding one. It got shipped in about, I think it took about 3-4 days for it to get here. And once it did, we were good to go, man. Me and him actually put the wire on ourselves. But here's the kicker about that. That was a 3-week process, folks. A 3-week process. So I just, you know, I want to be transparent with you all about how long, you know, one simple cord, this cord right here, is one cord, could put you out of commission, man. This is actually a good learning point, good teaching point. Have extra parts. You know, like, you know, you got different, you know, a belt for your truck. There's nothing wrong with having an extra belt for your truck, because even if it, you know, it breaks off, if you have to call the mechanic, it'll be cheaper on your part if you already have the belt in your truck and be like, hey man, the belt's already here. They'll just have to, you know, you just have to, you know, pay for labor when they put the belt back on. But same thing with this right here. If I had to call somebody for me to come fix it, however, this little cord right here was on back order. So hey, here's a tip: if you don't already have one of these, go ahead and order one, because according to, you know, the variety of people I've talked to, it's just inevitable. It's just a matter of time before something like this pops off. But anyway, man, we got all that stuff back there on. It's tied up, it's lubricated, we're good to go. The next thing I wanted to talk to you all about is I've had a lot of people that are in my area, the Augusta area, you know, the Thompson area, you know, that type of deal. You know, you want to reach out to me, you all want to link up, let's connect, that type of thing. Well, I'm gonna tell you, buddy, I think that's a beautiful thing, and I think we should. What I would like for you all to do is just reach out to me on my Instagram, Box Truck Rut, BOXTRUCKRUT. I would say email. The problem is, man, email gets lost a lot, man, and I'm trying to read through the emails, but I can never. It's never enough. It's never enough. Reach out to me on my IG. For those of you, I think some of you all are on TikTok. Box Truck Rut, same thing on there, same handle on TikTok. Same thing on Instagram. Reach out to me on there, man. I would love to connect with you all. Here's my vision, right? Here's my vision. It's a great time to bring this up for all of you that are local in my area, right? What my plan is, if we could build a network of individuals that are in my area, and this goes for, this is a tip for any of you all that are out there as well, in different cities. But, you know, what I want to do is I want to build a network of drivers that are here in my area. So that way when you know, I'm approached or I reach out to some of these businesses in our area, and they say, one of the first questions they ask you is, hey man, how many trucks do you have? You know, I always tell them, hey man, I got one, right? And you know, they're fine with that, but hey, they're more likely to work with you if they know, hey man, you got a fleet of trucks that are available to, you know, to drive, you know, every which way. They love that, man. They start drooling out the mouth. So look, I would love to link up with some of you all that are in my area. Like I said, get in contact with me on my Instagram or maybe on TikTok, whatever the case may be. Just reach out to me and let's see what we can set up, because if we get that network together, we could take over this city. And for those of you all out there, whatever city you're in, connect with some of those drivers that are in your area too, man, because you all could take over. That's the only way you're gonna make it, especially right now with the way that inflation is, bro. Networking is gonna be the only way you make money right now, man. Only way you make money, okay? So keep that in mind. I'm not gonna make this video, you know, extra long. I just wanted to touch base with you all and just give you an idea of what can happen if something goes wrong on your truck. So have extra parts on hand if you can. If not, it's cool. But you know, just have, you know, a fund set aside to where you can be ready for stuff like this. But anyways, man, y'all be blessed out there. Appreciate you tuning in with me. As usual, like, share, subscribe, and see y'all on the other side. But there was one more thing I was gonna say.
Oh yeah. What happened?